Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'd like to introduce you to this very lovely Peugeot 3008 Allure. This is a very special Allure as it does come with a lot of optional extras. That includes things like a wireless charging plate for compatible mobile phones. You've also got grip control and hill descent assist, along with front heated seats. This is all in addition to the front and rear parking aids, and that does include a rear colour camera, satellite navigation and Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. Here at Howard's, we are happy to tailor your experience depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment, using our Howard's Click and Collect service or our Howard's Home Delivery, or if you would prefer a traditional appointment where we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.